Nijuma enki ya umwancho murigereria Ndizi TV andonsi asore no kwigena muna nogendrete kwego kya sokubwatia emeroberi onsigeteseni kya Ndizi TV ekero chire chitariki 19 cyumutienyi okane omwaka no iwechiribu 2024 chinga kense ya Kenya egendrete kumurera omo Chief Defense weke kosikeria KDF General Francis Ogola uyebetka gusiria obugima bwaye kubwatkana n'ubasikano bwendege amo n'abanajeshi bande chinga kibarenge ase obokoreri bwabo abarai aho nigo bagendrete gotuma amagomba bo cyase cyamate cyabari abasiretie amagimabo ase nonya nabo obotkibweme bwacakire kegima ase okumanya ningikerete endege yokowa ase Chinsa chiria chia ergeyo mara kwet nigo ameroberio nemeroberio yokomoeni ya General Francis Ogola yabereke gochaka kegima ase korengana ne amate yaye abere bakweneke abuna nigo abete kako tebabuna akero chinga kyarakwe abe kago tinde kwa inse ye Chinsa emeronko 5 nebere na ibere ase arabe kako ni waburi tkoria Jumapili tariki emeronko ebere na yemo asenga yaye chie kenyoro kia mor ime ye constituency ya Alego nigo omuyega bwoko mokorera masabo rabe ko korekana buri tkoria ankyo ase kanisa yo arenke gokora gosarenge goshiriki yanduru asebo igo muyega bwoko munyora urabe ko gokore bwamasabo yo kumunyora urabe ko koreka chitarike meronko ebere na isano nemo asegeti kya Ulinzi Sports Complex ase abeire kago korera amaigero gose training igobono ne chingaki ense ya Kenya gendrete komorera magayo muraibense Dr. William Samuel Ruto akora yabuna nigo baraire gose nigo amatukata tabekresemo ase okumurera General Francis Ogola cyaragira Chinsa Ikomi cyabona magoroba chingaki ngo kwarigania SMS Amayia eri onkumanya na rayana kwariganire asenchira ere yobwenga sensemo ya Facebook kendro gotanyarwetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News ase website yetu nabugo yasomwetera www.ndizitv.net eri togendere kusanga sobwamo. Mancho margerere triane Everlyne Osero uriato kubatrena sensema imenyerero nigakoro kwa Lydia Mose nabo igo yokene kya chipichenero gichawe kere nigakoro kwa Kevin Mogambi gokwariganyo beko gosanga nainche goika omwerio ama ye Chinsa Ikomi ya century yobenge nigo togo ya chaka century ya bene korwa se county ya Kisii wase omochumbe osomubungo nyaribari chache zahiri janda aberega kubwatoka amagomba ye kubwatkana nogosira ko morokia omonene weskuru secondary yabanyaruka ya utamba uyobetka gusiriyo bugima bwaye ase omubasukano bwepara chese ensemo ya chabera ninga yakwa nachinga kyaba kawekirana asege ikaro na barokia abanene veg school chionsi imeyebunge ya nyaribari chache nabo igo aba MCA eri gukwanira emeroberio au hanenerengete gusira ebirengo by'ikisemi ase chiskuru ase janda berega kweneke unanigo barachikubwatirana na barokia eriyo koreta amachibwa maya asesemo yetsemi.
The other thing that also on behalf of myself as the area member of parliament together with my colleagues, we want to send a message of condolence to the family of the late Madam Ruth, the principal of Otamba School. It is unfortunate, but that is the will of God. We accept, and I want to assure the family and the people of Nyaribari Chache that we will stand with the family, support the family, and give our late sister a send-off, a decent, befitting send-off, so that she can rest in peace. Kwa hayo mengi na machache, asanteni sana.
Togotkana nayo nigo munyakirogo bwe kyama kya Orange Democratic Movement ODM imeye county ya Kisii ondie kikero siabeirega kwenekya ugoterenigwa kukorobekana kukwarobere gokorekana ritkoria rero asoko mwigerera omugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati asatairubna nigo bakoirari bagerio bene ase okumurera nyagosera General Francis Ogola uyobete kagusiria obugima bwaye abwo ritkoria igoro nigo barua engora ya bene asebaganire abananchi koba abatoera rukinga kibaganyete kumanyiwa ekyogiye kubwatya magega ekero bakorire kumurera Ogola.
We woke up with the sad news of the tragic death of our CDF, Francis Ogola. The whole country has been plunged in mourning. We are in mourning. We therefore, as ODM Kisii branch, send our heartfelt condolences to CDF Francis Ogola's family and friends and the whole of Kenya. We also send our condolences to the families of all those personnel who were accompanying him when they got that accident. We are indeed very sorry, and we join other Kenyans in mourning. As Kisii, because our governor, His Excellency Paul Simbarati, has requested us to put off our demonstrations in honor of the fallen heroes, we hereby ask our members to stop the demonstrations forthwith and wait for us to give a way forward. This is in harmony with the rest of the country who are mourning. Let us join our countrymen in mourning our heroes, and let us give our heroes a befitting ceremony.
Tunaungana na gavana wetu kuomboleza na Wakenya wote katika nchi yetu. Asanteni sana, tusidi kuwa pamoja na tutetee haki kama chama chetu cha ODM. Asanteni sana.
Nechinga ki ya magomba gendrete ko bwato kwa gochiase ogusira kwaye General Francis Ogola nigo ababwatani korose kyombe kya Gusii Culture and Development bakorawa n'umunyakerogo obo matundura babere bakorwa engora ya bene notana no wakwa okonene kwa beire go koenekiwa ime yense ya Kenya nigo babere bakorwa engora gochiase chiyamate anene chiria abamwabo babete bagusiria amagima bakubwatkana n'ubasikanuyo.
Ase Elieta, James Matundura, Haraka, Umunyakerogo, ase kyombe gitu kia Gusii Elders Council. Elders Council, karatu banyorete amangana ya Mogambi omunene ase basigari, Ogora, bakweta ase ndege, achari endege, igo tuwasetogete sana. Tuwasetogete ase bintu ange bibere bitatu. Ekemo, ntosigete Mogambi sana. Noli no muntu olenge kiwango kigoro muno tuasigete. Igia kabere garwete nsemo yeite ya Nyanza gaiga. Na kereki karo toko kiligereria go tuasetogete sana karo tuanyortanga okura somo bosokano urengo mube. Ono kwa niaba ya council yeito ya Gusii. Kwa niaba ya basani bae kurugusiga na abana nona batamu mayiti bale gotumia Mogambi bwaye bunare ko gamba ko etera segechesi igo togotoma engora yeito rambirambi yeito ugia se familia yaye abana baye abantu baye bonse n'abantu bamwabo nga ntoramo nabarabu bunaba Gusii na ende bune council yeito ya Gusii Elders Council igo ntoramo nabarabu batawote basore.
Nase hayo akera hayo agendrete ni gabara ikorwase obomobwa Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya bakora n'umuraibe kiabo obomobo Raila Amolo Odinga baba wekana ase engayaye Gola ime mucho Nairobi edio kubwatoka engora yabo nakorerane amate yaye magega yawe ni gabara yabo bakubwatoka enkwana yabo yamagombo kurawa no moraibe kyamakyana Kenya Mother Karua ase baba oteba kumorera nyagosira no tena no muntu werwete kigima asoko bwatoka obokoreri iboro buyago chiase aba 90 nigo nanyana bo bakumeire igoro yebe basikano yaberege kwene kiwanene ase asaba bwatani ibege kosi ya KDF imense ya Kenya asebaganire obotuki oboikranu ugokorwa.
We will always remember General Ogola as a devout patriot and dedicated soldier to the Republic of Kenya from the day he graduated. He has been through multiple tours of duty and legitimately as the top soldier in Kenya, the Chief of Defense Forces, the CDF. He was revered by his colleagues at home and abroad. He has had a service of 40 years. Kenya's 11th CDF was a focused visionary whose impact on our disciplined forces, indeed our nation, will be greatly missed. To General Ogola's family and the families of the other fallen soldiers, we offer our deepest condolences. At this most difficult moment, we stand with them and our prayers are with them. As Azimio, we are deeply concerned that the Kenya Defense Forces have had several other accidents in the last 12 months, including yesterday's tragic crash. We are saying that this must be thoroughly investigated.
Mwancho muri ibona bwone gati y'abarayi nabo igaba bwatanya bagendrete ku bwatoka ngora yabo kubwatkana ntogosira wa General Francis Ogola cinga kense ya Kenya egendrete kumurira totera nayo nigo ekiombe kia Impact Research and Development Organization kubwatrana no musaraba umubariri wose kiombe kia Red Cross bagendrete no murobiro ubwogosemya abana banyaruka igoro yo kwerenda cinga ki bagendrete gokina nigo murobiro yo gokorekana kuri boroso ya nyambunwa ibyo gotoka se wodi yabo Chiburabu ebunge yabo Machoge borabu ime ye county ya Kisii aya necingaki aborokiwa basiegete chiskuru asbarenga asomotimoko bwa masomo ase ekyo byombe byo birengete gosemya banyaruka ucakera emyaka Ikomi weke myaka 20 nene asekerenga kyabo ekenene nuko basomye goro yo wetanga korwase amarito agengyo ogokururwa nabo yigokorwase amarere chinginjo abuna ebinyinyi byenyamare egati ya yande amange nigo baruro kubore ocyasaba ibori koba abana babo kinyaruka cingaki cinyororo nabo igori baga yo wesokya na kwenyorera obosemyo bubara bakonye asama tukabusyo.
We are implementing adolescents and young persons program in Kisii County in 4 sub-counties, that is Bonchari, Kituchache North, Bobasi and Bomachoge Borabu. So currently this is basically a clinical outreach. We are targeting adolescent young girls and boys aged 10 to 24. But the program is a little bit biased to the boys. We are targeting at least 80% of the girls and 20% of the boys based on their vulnerability. As you know, girls are actually rated to be more vulnerable than the boys. And so the services that we are giving here are basically biomedical services and health talks on behavioral change. And the main aim is to try and mitigate early pregnancy, teenage pregnancies, and try to reduce new HIV infections by 75%.
It is because of they have a lot of challenges. The reason why Irido is a partner who have come to this sub-county. Direction. From the database in the whole Kisii County, it has been noted that teenage pregnancy is very high in the Machoge Borabu sub-county. So this is one of the intervention to arrest the community. The challenges they have.
Na baunchureria kurwa sechiro ya Keumbu anena baunchureria ba Matoke nigo barurebirero byabo gucyase serikali ya county ya Kisii ase oko baro serious bagukorera obonchureria bwabo korengana baraboni ngo babere bagucandika ase gikegetambe cinga kichembura na bego cinga kichomora kera se bagwa kwa numbaso bo igo embure nyinge asibatere na ekyo nigo kireira banke babo gutekerania obonchureria babo asenchera yobororo nabona nigo baganiriye koroserwa ebikindiriri asebarabe bakwigama anene cinga cyumu basogose cinga kichimbura asenchereyemo yokonyora cinga kinyororo kwenyorera gose kwerigeria engeria.
sabanga serikali yetu one mburago tukwerere gaiga sana tware go sabanga serikali yetu tuligereria tweteri buraiga tweteri go tukuiga muraga ko gore murage go tutwera kereri tuko omugasuko cyo toita emurego cha ya toita go sabanga serikali yetu tuligereria batwaga chire ndiki yama one customer kare ko bari eta ko kwirwa ero twaso atwa matoka no to kone yo Kenya kia masago omogea njema makori biashara kwa matoke yoke wabere to kwa ni yake nenge lakini no to kwa ni matoka yaiga ndu bwato bolene asenye nje to kwa matoka ni saiganye twagoria abami to bako nka twacha bere twabekera ini ndu bwate gasio konia ndu to kwa banta bange to kurwanire kare customer ya chiri na yemo to kwa babange asenye nje okonyora gwito kwebito gikoroba ke serikali yari kwanja etubeke biye twatana neje etwena wancherende ngiye edinde ejo eto yani eto support turi moke igoro
yuke kere mbure twete matoka ito tari kubugure kabiya baguchigocha kwanyara sasingine ya bunire bono kwanyoranga musuko yo bugure tiri yake irense bono kwanyaranga matoka ya gusabira igamma kori twata narago twa challenges
Tinga kiyoko bwato kwa kuobuoyo butari obwekirano kwa biroko ine kiwase abalemya bagenderete wesoke na kwemurunganya kuri Chinsemo au nigo bono obotuki bogenderete amone serikali asoko ine kia gusasoko ine kebuna obuoyo botiburigo cyako bwato kwa nainde nigo ritkolelero ababisako rwase company ya Cal Chemicals abawekirana abosyo bwe committee ebunge eyetenerete amangana yoboremi na boigo tugo eryo kwerera igoro yobuoyo bobebore ase chiro aya nasekeria buna company yo nemenyete igoro yobo asekorengana nabo batebirie Ikomi buna nigo babetereretiwe amona babisabane na kurwa serikali wanchira nabuna nabo barosetie obwoyo bobube
executive who has threatened or who has harassed me. They were starting from the NCBB because is the when I mentioned in case they called me and they regarding the because it's a closed door meeting. Agree. We have to pay everything to the what MEMS we have supplied to the MEMS. Not MEMS will pay, is CAL will pay.
Sorry, they were asking you to pay who?
To pay the farm to the refund all the money
to MEMS.
To MEMS, and MEMS will return now to the NCPB.
So how much money then had you been paid by MEMS? Had they paid all your?
No, still they have not paid fully. Yeah,
how much have you paid? Did they paid you so far? And what are their
what proportion rather?
Yeah, because they have paid us around figure because I know figure is of 170 million shilling. We do paid CAL. Now I don't know how much NCBB has paid to MEMS. Yeah, but this is the MEMS only paid us. So they were asking me
so
to.
MEMS pay you.
Because that is now part
so
of
the main harasser is the MD.
We started from there, yeah. From there now, you see we have taken. I've been forced to write. They told me to write that batch because they said already we have announced in the media, so you can't change. You know that way he was telling me we have already announced in the media, and because he was not that way I was again because I said no, we have the proof, we have tested twice, we have done, we know our product very well. He said no, we have to write the letter now. So that's why the letter we have written, put everything, and I gave him also the signature signed in front of me inside the NCPB compound, not outside anywhere. We have signed the letter, and maybe if they have, they can check even they are sitting outside the reception. I was signing the MEMS was receiving the letter in the NCPB. Outside the MD's office. From there I've been taken, there was no harassment, so we go to the... Now there is, from this, we see the in office now, office of the president, where the...
Mwanchi umurigeri roboto na rogotareta umero bamaye Chinsa Ikomi asenchera ere eyo wenge karoba igo ekyombe keriya kurigereria obuyabwe binto ya KEBS kyabereke gukana okobwatanirwa asemero bere yonsi cyo kobwato kwa kwoboyobo ocyase abana inchikore nayo munenda mangino yanyora senchera yobwikirano ekero erarage enseyemo nabayigo Chinsa isato cyamogoroba gendera kubwatemero bere yonsi ya Ndizi TV asesemo ya Facebook otunyarwetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News nabo igase website ito nabo ogotonyora Chinsa 24 wetera www.ndizitv.net eri togendere gusanga asobwamo eri teriane Everlyne Osero Lydia Mose twabwaterana sensemo yebimanyerero nabo igo Kevin Mogambi nero ene kyachibicha niriogi chawekeire asenchire abene twarubugeri boro byasemiro bire kubwatya nabo igo emagoroba erentoerero